Hey guys, long time no see. What's been happening? I'm shooting this video to you. There's been a bit of an update. There's been a number of updates and they're going to come to you in pieces over the next bit. And hopefully we'll be touring again very, very soon. So take a look at this video. I hope you guys have been well. I've put this out for a reason, to let you know that I'm all here. I hope you guys are well. Drop me some comments. Let me know what's been happening with you guys in your world, in your lives. If you've been riding, share some tours. You're going to be riding more than me lately. Hopefully I'll be changing that pretty soon, but you know, I love hearing your stories. I love replying to your comments and hearing what's going on out there in YouTube land and all the rest of it. So let's have a look at this video. We look forward to the new news. There's a bunch of new news that's going to be coming. I look forward to delivering that very soon. Hope you're well. Fast and Curious back online, eh? Keep well. Love you guys. Well, as we said, let's talk about where I'm heading off to. Well, couple of seats in the back. As you know, when I bought the 23 Road Glide, the CVO, the new beast of a motorcycle, the beautiful Brutus went off to Jason. Jason's had that bike now for about 7 or 8 months. In that 7 or 8 months, I think Jason's been able to ride that bike probably once. I think we did that one tour on the Hog Rally tour, which I blended with the first CVO video. So unfortunately it's not getting a lot of riding, and Jason said it's time to let Brutus go. And you know, it's his bike. You know, that's his decision. And so rather than put it formally for sale, I put it out to a lot of the riding groups, and we met a buyer. Well, we met a couple of buyers, but we met this particular buyer that is the perfect buyer for this bike, and Brutus is going off to a lovely new home. So we're going out. I've got some seats in the back for the buyer. I look forward to meeting the buyer. I'm really excited about that. He's buying a very, very special bike, that's for sure. You know, Brutus is a beautiful Road Glide, and yeah, so let's go and say good day to the buyer. Let's see who it is and find out what his plans are for the bike. And a very exciting day for him, let me tell you. It's a sunny Sunday, beautiful day to pop your leg over that bike for the very first time. And yeah, good luck to him. So let's go and catch up. In the meantime, let's take a little walk down memory lane just before I get there, so you guys can remember a little bit about Brutus. We've done some touring on that, and we've got some special memories. Let's have a quick look at that, and before you know it, we'll be there. Cheers. amazing day, so exciting. We're here with Brutus, and Jace. He doesn't want to ride anymore. I've been up him and I said to him, we've got to go on rides, and it's like look, it's a passion, right? You've either got it. Jason used to have it. Jason, actually, you got me into riding. Didn't you? Mm-hmm. Yeah. What happened? I don't know. I mean, you know, like really. Anyway, look, no time to ride anymore. So Brutus has found a new home. So it's a little bit sad today, but you know, we couldn't be happier that Brutus is going to such a lovely family. I'm going to introduce you to Buyer. Wonderful, wonderful people. Darren, Nicola, how are you guys?
Hey guys, how you going?
How are you?
Good stuff. Congratulations on your purchase.
Thank you so much, Dean. Yeah, it's fantastic. I mean, it's some bike, that's for sure.
Yeah.
I remember watching the build when you first did it, and then when I saw it come up for sale, I just said to Nicola, wow, you got to check this thing out. This thing is unbelievable. So yeah, we are absolutely thrilled to bits to actually get it.
Mate, you've got a great bike, and I appreciate that. And it's interesting because you knew the bike from the channel, right?
Absolutely.
Originally,
I knew the bike from the channel. I've watched most of your vids. I clicked onto the channel probably 2 years ago.
Wow.
So I haven't gone all the way through everything yet. But when this came up, I dead set remember watching it when it first came up. And then when it came up for sale, then I went and rewatched it again. And I'm just like, wow.
See what I mean? That's a good story. And that's exactly what we wanted, right? So that's so good. I wish them all the best for riding. Now appeared, like a little bit of a television star, appeared in Kangaroo Island series and tour. Dubbo Rally, I think, was the first ride, Jace. Yeah. Mount Panorama. Brutus has been around Mount Panorama. Did you see that? You got to watch that. Yeah, Brutus has actually done the Golden Lap. So there you go. So a couple of tours, 14,000 Ks. It's still a baby. 131 motor, as we know.
Yeah.
Please look after it.
I'll definitely look after
will.
it, no problem at all.
It'll be his baby.
Yes, you bet.
And thanks for your support, Nicola.
Oh, I'm always so supportive.
Why aren't we all this lucky? I mean, I am, but you know, not every man's as lucky
not
to have.
everyone's as
You know?
lucky.
It's fantastic. That's
Happy riding, boss.
great. Thanks, guys.
Cheers.
You.
Oh, lifts into that motor. There goes Brutus. Jace. Bye-bye, Brutus. So what bike are you buying next? Push bike.